Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing Diploma in Modern Office Practice brief description. And Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of consultation service. If you are facing any problem of your choosing your career guidance, also you can direct contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can uh, ask your all queries with very minimum charges, and we provide all type of details regarding the studies. Here the program type and the mode are given here. Modes are so open distance learning. Schools are given here: school of vocational education training. Duration is 1 year only. So so you have to just spend here 1 year in this course. English mode is medium is English only. Specialization in modern office practice and description as well is given here. Eligibility is 10 plus 2 or equivalent. So 12th plus it should be if you are 12 plus, so you can do this course. Fee structure is only 6,000 rupees. So and 300 is the extra charges. Program coordinator is also given here. And right now, the how many papers are in this paper, so you can in this course you can see here there are total 5 papers. After passing of all the papers, you will get the 32 marks. And here are the region and the study centers given here. If you have other queries related to this course, you can contact us anytime. We are here for help you. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.